everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to learn how to draw a face of a cute little girl wearing a bow tie. Start by drawing the 3 straight lines. Draw a cross in between, join these, making curved lines, and then draw the ears at the middle line. Then divide the face into these proportions, keeping in mind that the lowermost line I've drawn is for the lips. I've drawn the lips using very minimum work lines because this is to give you an idea how the proportion of a face should be maintained and not the realistic detail part, but we yet covering it in detail. So this is going to be the eyes. Make sure that the eyes are exactly well distanced from each other, like one shouldn't be far away from the another. Then we go down to the hairline structure. Try to cover as much as forehead with hair as possible to make your human figure look a bit more feminine as possible, and shade the hairs to give it a professional effect, or maybe I'd say a bit detailed effect. Then we'll draw the bow. The bow is at the back, so we won't add much detail and it won't be as much as visible as you think it would be. Then I have a lot of videos about human face drawing, how to draw lips, nose, eyes, perspective videos on my YouTube channel. So if you're learning drawing and you need help, my channel is the right place for you. So I'd say just go out there, check it. If you like it, do follow, subscribe, and just enjoy the video. Like it, try drawing it, and it's okay if it's not the same. You're learning, you'll improve.